Welcome to Foguth Financial. My name's Alicia Butler, and I'm going to help you set up your dashboard on Schwab.com so you can take a look at all your accounts in one place here on Schwab Alliance. So once you're logged into your accounts at Schwab.com, you should see first a login summary, and this will be a summary of all of your accounts put together. So it might be a little confusing at first if you see a sum that you might not expect. It is all of your accounts together. So if you can take a look, it'll show a total value, the day changed, and year to date because we have it set here to year to date. So on this initial summary page, you can always change to 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, however you would like. Here are the different options. You can also change your table view and look at a historical process that way. If you would like to take a more individualized look, scrolling down, you can see your accounts listed individually here. We have a Roth IRA, a rollover IRA, and an individual account. Each of these accounts will be listed here. If you want to see one in particular, just go ahead and click on the hyperlink. It will take you to the same positions page now for your specific account. This will detail that account only, the position details here, the account summary, the totals, your total cost basis, gains, loss. All of these that you see in blue are hyperlinks. If you click on them, it will adjust them up and down, sort them. If you want to switch accounts, you can come back up here to the drop-down arrow and select the other accounts. And again, scroll down to see all the individual holdings, which you can sort by clicking at the top of each column. If you would like specific information on an investment, you can click on that as well. And that'll bring you to the specific details of your investment. A few other things to note is that we do have here a settings button, which you can click on it to help you either group or ungroup accounts. If you would prefer to keep them all separate or keep it out of the total, you can select those here. And now it'll come down to just the one account and not your total account value. If you have any other questions on how to view your summary page, please give us a call here at Foguth Financial Group. Thank you very much and have a great day.